Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this DJI Osmo Mobile SE. So it's a gimbal by DJI, a smartphone stabilizer. What does it say on the pack here? Made in China. Has a 2600 mAh battery inside, 3.6 watt, 9.36 watt per hour. The input is 5 volt, 2 ampere. Is there anything else? Yep. So what does it say? So it features 3-axis stabilization, magnetic design, portable and foldable, active track 5.0, easy to turn one tap editing, and quick roll. So in this box we have the Osmo Mobile SE, the gimbal, the DJI OM magnetic phone clamp 3. This is the attachment to your phone, which then you attach to your gimbal, and then you have the tripod also. Tripod and documents, storage pouch, and power cable. So yep, DJI. So this product also supports DJI Care Refresh, low cost replacement, global service and support, rework for safe use, DJI Care Express. So there's an app inside. You can download here or scan the QR code here. It's available on the App Store as well as Android. And without further ado, let's open this up. So in this box it does feature some sort of tutorial, but we're gonna skip that. And then as you can see, we already unboxed a little bit of it, but you know that. And you have this nice pouch inside. Yeah, and some desiccants, I think. Silica gel desiccant, yeah. And this is the pouch itself. We have some manuals inside, safety guidelines, quick start guide, a must-have app for DJI Store app users, store like cut, DJI recommended video editing app, some stickers. It's actually pretty. I think let's open this up because it feels thick. Yeah, one DJI sticker. Not quite sure what this is. And then DJI missions, another DJI logo. Okay. Bring the memory card. I guess for you to stick around. Nice touch. And then here's the pouch. Nothing else inside. And then, oh wait. Yeah, some sort of foam for you to stick on your attachment, I believe. And then, yeah. So nothing else inside. And this pouch is nice touch. Nice texture. If you can see, there's an Osmo logo on there, and then you can tie it. You can bring your gimbal around, put it inside, and then along with its attachments, and put into this nice pouch. Nice touch here. And then we have the grid stand here. So it's like this. Allows you to spread it out, and then let me just put this quickly aside. And this is the phone attachment itself, as you can see, and then it's actually pretty tight. And then we have the gimbal itself in here, and USB Type-C to Type-A charging, so it does feature Type-C charging here, so you charge it here. Yep, and then I believe there's nothing else in the box. And here is this gimbal itself. So this is the DJI Osmo Mobile SE There is a more expensive version, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, I believe. That's around 500 ringgit on sale, and whereas this one is only 300 ringgit on sale. So I got this for my wife's birthday gift, since she records a lot of videos on her phone, and she travels a lot and likes to record, you know, the videos off his phone, so off her iPhone actually. And this is a nice touch. So to use it, if you get the Osmo Mobile 6, if you flip it open, they will start immediately, but not for this. So it's not started now at the moment. And then you can attach this, like, well, I don't know why it's misaligning, but yeah, you can attach it like so. And, this is actually pretty cool. So I haven't started it, and maybe just let me start it. Now of course I don't know how to use this. Yeah, so now it's on now, and yeah, maybe I can just try and attach a phone there for some like. Perhaps it doesn't detect any phone, so it doesn't, you know, flip or anything. I can try and attach one phone now. Let me see. I think it's easier to like attach it like this, and then only then you attach it to your. Oof! What happened? Like I'm definitely a noob when it comes to using this type of IT stuff. So I think there's a bit of alignment here, so I'm just gonna align it like so. Yep, there they go. And it's not on now, I believe. Right, this is the cool thing about it. So I'm actually using it right now, and it's actually actively stabilizing it. Can't show you in the full screen, but yeah, and this is cool, you know, actually. As you can see, it is very, very stable. I like it. You know, it can become my stand instead, which is cool. So I'm just holding on to, you know, turning on to the video mode here. Of course I don't have any of its app installed, but yeah, as you can see, this is pretty cool thing, to be honest. And then there's a button here, so maybe I can just try and click it, and as you can see, it's even more stable. So yeah, this is actually your zoom button. So if you use the DJI app, it should help you to zoom in and out in the app itself. But otherwise, this is not using any app and just connecting itself. And do bear in mind that this gimbal supports phones up to 296 grams, so that's plentiful. Even my ZTE Nubia Z60, which is 250 grams, about there, without case, can be used. So this one works fine for iPhones, I believe. So yeah, I'm just trying. Yeah, I don't know how to use it, but there's a mod to turn it to the horizontal, but I guess that's because this isn't fully supported because I'm not using the app. So if you do want to use this to record videos, it's best to use the app. But as you can see, it's worked fine enough. You know, it's pretty cool how this kind of things works. You know, because there's a motor here and another motor here, so it's just taking all of your movement inputs and then try to balance the phone itself. Yeah, I don't know. Well, this is an outward angle. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I believe it comes with 1 year of warranty, but correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this for 300 ringgit plus with the good app support, I think this is a great buy for beginners. Yeah, maybe just a quick showing. If let's say you want to take a selfie, you know, you can extend it here. If you get the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, that has an internal extension itself where you can extend it from here, like you can pull from here, but not for this one, but if you want to do selfie and want to extend it, you can hold it like this, which is funny. But this stance is pretty good because it allows you to stand it on itself, and then you can. So yeah, this will be pretty helpful, you know, if next time I want to record video off my phone with this. This can be used already because this is actually quite a nice one with active stabilization as well. So yeah, maybe just let me just spin around. Yeah, so that's about the maximum, and that's all as well. So about 180 both sides, and then not that much. I think this is 90 degree here and there, not the total. So yeah, that's about it. And there's a few modes here. I'm not sure if you can see, but I believe there's a few modes here, as you can see. But if you have the app, that will support more. And which it is showing the battery health there. I'm not sure why is this one keep turning. And then maybe let me just try this. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. And this is turning it off. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.